Welcome! In just a few simple steps, we'll guide you through how to assemble this display. To begin, carefully take out all the units together. Hold them firmly as a single group and avoid vigorously pulling on each individual unit to try to take them out the box, as this could cause damage. Once the units are out, separate them gently, one by one, to ensure that no damage occurs. Thank you for following this guide. And remember, proper handling will ensure the longevity of your units. Start by peeling off the protective layer from the metal base. Gently squeeze and fold the branded core board. This step helps with alignment. Assembling the stand is a two-person job, so make sure you have someone to assist you. Using the provided Allen key and screws, secure the base by starting with the middle holes. Once that is done, move on to the side holes. And there you go. To interchange the print, start by loosening the top screws and carefully slide out the print. Next, remove the bottom screws and then flip the print to display the other promotion. Then align the print using the Digi8 as a guide, then replace and tighten the bottom screws. Afterwards, slide the print back into place. And finally, tighten the top screws to properly secure it. Caution: the Digi8 is designed to last up to 3 years, so it's important to handle it with care. Do not attempt to remove the entire Digi8 at once. Please avoid pulling the clips forcefully to prevent damage. In order to safely remove the Digi8 front face, release one clip at a time by squeezing the front face and then gently pulling the clip. Lift the front face from the bottom and detach it from the display. Simply flip the numbers until you reach your desired price, and then carefully reinstall the front face by securing it one clip at a time. Now, in order to interchange the description on the Digi8, simply slide out the paper, flip it around, and then slide it back in. In case the Digi8 is damaged, this next step of instructions will show you how to remove and replace the Digi8. First thing that you'll have to do is to remove the print on the unit. You will do that by untightening the screws on the unit. Remove all 4 and place them aside for later use. Next step is to grab the wire saw and carefully place it right underneath the Digi8 where the tape is holding the Digi8 against the ambient unit. And now, using both hands, carefully move the wire saw back and forth, gradually bringing the wire closer to you. Once the Digi8 has been removed, proceed to reattach the print to the unit and secure it using the 4 screws that you removed earlier. Now, using the print as a guide, align the new Digi8 that we've provided. And that's it. It's that easy.